Square root of x times square root of x is equal to 2. We have to find the solution for x where x is a real number. So let's solve it. Square root of x times square root of x, it will be square root of x square, then times square root of x is equal to 2. We can remove the square root with the square, so it is x square is equal to 2. Now to remove the square, we can square root both the sides. X square under square root and 2 under square root. Remove the square root with the square. Therefore, x is equal to square root of 2. Let's verify this answer. We have square root of x times square root of x is equal to 2. We have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS. Now square root of x means square root of 2, then times square root of 2, then times square root of 2 under square root. We have to check whether it is equal to 2. Now when a is under square root, it means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So it means 2 is raised to the power of 1 upon 2, and then again under square root, that means again raised to the power of 1 upon 2, then times 2 is raised to the power of 1 upon 2, then times 2 is raised to the power of 1 upon 2, then whole raised to the power of 1 upon 2. Now there is an identity. If a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, then it is equal to a raised to the power m times n. Therefore, it will be 2 raised to the power 1 upon 2 times 1 upon 2, then times 2 raised to the power 1 upon 2, then times 2 raised to the power 1 upon 2 times 1 upon 2. Again, it is 2 raised to the power 1 upon 4 times 2 raised to the power 1 upon 2 times 2 raised to the power 1 upon 4. There is an identity. When a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Therefore, we will add the exponents here. So 2 raised to the power 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4, or 2 raised to the power, LCD will be 4. So 1 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, or it is 2 raised to the power 4 upon 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Right hand side is equal to left hand side. Our answer is correct. X is equal to square root of 2. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.